Today I want to talk a little bit about the challenges facing industrial manufacturing today, what the environment looks like, what your challenges are, and the opportunities presented in Industry 4.0. And then I want to give you a few examples of some of the things that our customers are doing to directly address these challenges. So within the spirit of unprecedented challenges, real opportunities, I wanted to talk a little bit about Industry 4.0. Because Industry 4.0 really truly does provide significant opportunity for industrial manufacturers like you today. If you're unfamiliar with Industry 4.0, what it really is the fourth industrial revolution. And there's a whole bunch of factors that are impacting your business and are causing you to change. These could be things like the limits of productivity being reached, new global supply chains, the demand for more configured, personalized products, the new generation of workers, and of course the availability of different types of technology such as the cloud, AI, machine learning, and the Internet of Things. Again, these provide a whole bunch of opportunities for manufacturers like you to digitally transform and present opportunities for optimization across four key areas. These could be your people, your processes in your supply chain, your assets, and ultimately your customer experience. This is just a whole bunch of opportunity for a business like yours. So at the same time as all these things are going on within Industry 4.0, you still have a whole set of challenges that are impacting your business that probably have been for many years. And I really see these as 5 key challenges. First, you have demand for customer innovation. So that could be the products that you're delivering to your customers being more and more innovative, but it's also the way you're communicating with your customers, doing things like enabling timely quoting and ensuring that they're getting the information they need from you as a business. You have your challenges related to the supply chain. 80% of your supply chain data exists outside of your 4 walls. These supply chains are becoming more and more global. Well, if you don't have visibility upstream and downstream, how can you adequately plan for and forecast demand and actually ensure that you're delivering products at the right price to your customers at the right time? You have your challenges related to just your typical manufacturing operations. You have a lack of visibility on the shop floor and in the warehouse, and you're not able to utilize your assets effectively to deliver products to customers once again. You have your challenges related to new business models such as service, where you're not able to actually deliver these service models profitably and is actually hurting your business, even though it should be actually differentiating your business. And then, in that spirit of Industry 4.0, you have the challenges related to your technology. You have old, siloed, heavily customized solutions that are holding you back from taking advantage of the most modern technology that's available to you and enabling that digital transformation and innovation that we talked about when it relates to Industry 4.0.